Hello, fantastic folks. Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Andy, and today I've got something seriously mouth-watering lined up for you. And yes, we are talking about an easy stuffed peppers recipe. And I can't wait to share this incredible recipe with you all. Let's kick things off with some fresh ingredients. Green onions, parsley, cilantro, white onions, and garlic. Fresh herbs add a burst of freshness and aroma to our dish, creating the perfect flavor foundation. Now, we introduce 2.5 pounds of premium fresh ground turkey into the mix. The magic begins as we start blending these fantastic flavors together. Ground turkey is a lean and protein-packed alternative, making this dish a healthier yet delicious option. I will enter about 3 or 4 tablespoons of crispy and golden fried onion flakes. These little nuggets of joy are about to take our mixture to the next level. Now, let's talk spices. A dash of paprika for that smoky kick. Cumin powder for an earthy undertone. Ground pepper for that extra zing. And a pinch of salt to bring it all together. Mix, mix, mix. We're creating a flavor symphony here. Time to hit the pan. A drizzle of oil sets the stage for our turkey adventure. Two tablespoons of tomato paste. And a generous helping of Italian hot pepper sauce. Cooking the turkey in a flavorful base adds depth to our dish, creating a tantalizing aroma. Now, here comes the fun part. 3 vibrant bell peppers. Their heads sliced off to become perfect vessels for our turkey goodness. Stuff them up. Top it with your favorite cheese, because why not? I personally love watching that cheese melt and mingle with the peppers. And into the oven they go, at 300 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Just enough time to cook those peppers to perfection and let that cheese become a gooey. And there you have it, a flawless, mouth-watering, delicious recipe that's very easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please take a moment to share and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Your support means the world to me and ensures you won't miss any of my delicious recipes. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.